Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication of any number by series of nines. Okay, so here at the end of this video I will make you to solve this much lengthy answer, that means this much of this problem just a second. I will make you to do this problem in a seconds. Okay, so do watch this video completely so that you will get the clarity. Here if you see the first example, here 234 is multiplied by 999. Here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there, and here we have to multiply it by 3 nines. So whenever the number of digits of the first number and number of nines are equal, then we can solve these problems very easily by using this method. So to get this answer, here we get the answer in two parts. So first part of answer will be obtained by subtracting 1 from the number other than the nines. Other than nines we have 234 is there. From that we need to subtract 1, so that you will get 233. And to get the second part of answer, we need to subtract this number from the nines. Okay, so 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. So answer is what? 2,33,766. So likewise, let us see the next question. 956 is multiplied by 3 nines. So here also we get the first part of answer, subtracting 1 from the 956, and subtracting 1 from the 956 we get 955. And to get the second part of answer, this 955 should be subtracted from the nines. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So our final answer is what? 9,55,044. Now let us see this next question. 1234 is multiplied by 9,999. Here also we have 4 digits and this should be multiplied by 4 nines. So to get the answer of the first part, what we need to do? We need to subtract 1 from this. So 1234 subtracted 1, that means we will get 1233. So this is our first part of answer. To get the second part of answer, these all should be subtracted from the nines. So 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6, and 6. So we get the answer, okay, like this. Okay, now in the same manner, let us see this 3 more examples. So here first part, first number is consisting of 5 digits and this should be multiplied by 5 nines. So first part of answer will be obtained by subtracting 1 from this. So 12,345 minus 1, that means 12,344. This should be subtracted from the nines. So 9,9,9,9. Okay, so we get answer in 10 digits. Okay, so 9 minus 1, that is 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. So this is a 10 digit answer we got in seconds. Okay, likewise we can also solve the remaining two problems. Here 1,23,456 minus 1. So 1,23,455. This should be subtracted from the nines. Okay, so from the nines we need to subtract, so that we will get us remaining part of answer. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So final answer is this one. Okay, so here it is a 12 digit answer. Okay, so and let us see the last example. This is what? 12,34,567. This should be multiplied by 7 nines. Okay, so by this we need to get the first part of answer, subtracted from subtract 1 from this. Okay, subtract 1 from this, what you will get? 12,34,565. okay, this is our first part of answer. To get the second part of answer, this all should be subtracted from the nines. Okay, so here 7 minus 1 means 6 will get, sorry. Okay, now here 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 6, 5, 4 3 3. So likewise we can solve these answers very easily with help of this method. Now I'm going to give you a problem. Try to solve this and comment your answer. Okay, so 2567 into 4 nines. Okay, follow this method, solve this answer, and please comment this answer